stoning in death in the public square. Here it is, and now you can prove what you are, a true sister or a traitor to your family.
Antigone, you are mad. What could I possibly do?
You must decide whether you will help me or not.
I do not understand you. Help you in what?
It's Mimi. I am going to bury him. Will you come?
Bury him? You have just said the new law forbids it.
He is my brother, and he is your brother too.
But think of the danger. Think what Crayon will do.
Crayon is not strong enough to stand in my way.
Ah, sister. Oedipus died, everyone hating him. For what his own search brought to light his eyes. Ripped out by his own hand, and you cast the dice. His mother and wife at once, she twisted a cord that strangled her life, and our two brothers died, each killed by the other's sword. And we are left. But oh, Antigone, think how much more terrible than this. Our own death would be if we should go against Creon and do what he has forbidden. We are only women. We cannot fight with men, Antigone. The law is strong. We must give in to the law. In this, in this thing and in words, I beg the dead to forgive me. But I am helpless. I must yield to those in authority. And I think it is dangerous business to be always meddling.
If that is what you think, I should not want you, even if you ask to come. You have made your choice. You can be what you want to be. But I will bury him. And if I must die, I say that this crime is holy. I shall lie down with him in death, and I shall be as near to him as he is to me. It is the dead, not the living, who make the longest demands. We die forever. You may do as you like, since apparently the laws of the gods mean nothing to you.
They mean a great deal to me, but I have no strength to break laws that were made for the public good.
That must be your excuse, I suppose. But as for me, I will bury him. I will bury the brother I love.
Antigone, I'm so afraid for you.
You need not to be. You have yourself to consider after all.
But no one must hear of this. You must tell no one. I will keep it a secret, I promise.
Oh, tell it. Tell it to everyone. Think how they'll hate you when it all comes out. If they learn that you knew about it all the time.
So fiery. Should be called with fear.
Perhaps. Perhaps. But I am doing only what I must.
Can you do it? I say that you cannot.
Very well. When my strength gives out, I shall do no more.
Impossible things should not be tried at all.
Go away, Minnie. I shall be hating you soon, and the dead will too. For your words are hateful. Leave me my foolish plans. I am not afraid of the danger. If it means death, it will be the worst of death. Death without honor.
Go then, if you feel that you must. You are unwise, but a loyal friend indeed to those who love you.
All right. So parang the voice. No. Let's go now to the crayon. Punta tayo sa sabi mo yan eh. Tatawa na lang kayo. Gentlemen, let us have Jerry will be parang ano eh. Kasi si Haymon. Bill 3. All right. Moragos, you need Grion, I see. Si Jerry. Ang Haymon will be Darren. Tatawa na lang eh. Sinopil kami eh. Ikaw si Grion. Ikaw si Haymon. Tapos, kayo ang Coragos. 1, 2, begin. Here is
Deference and wisdom. Whatever I do, I am your son, Father. You are my guide. You make it clear for me, and I obey. You merge
Lagay mo nga doon.
This is the way to be. Good. This is the way to be. That is the way to be. Subordinate. Everything else, my son, to your father's will. This is what a man prays for. That he may get sons attentive and dutiful in his house, each one leaving his father's enemy, honoring his father's friend. But if his sons fail him, if they turn out unprofitably, what has his father but trouble for himself, and amusement for the malicious? So you are right, not to lose your head over this woman. Your pleasure with her would soon grow cold, Amon, and then you'd have a helpless begging elsewhere. Let her find her husband in hell. Of all the people in the city, only she has had contempt for Milo and broken it. Do you want?
That's not a question.
Okay.
All the people in this
Has had contempt for Milo and broken it. Broken it. Do you want me to show myself weak before the people, or to break my sworn sword, or to break my sworn word? No.
Do you want to show myself weak before the people? Or to break my own word?
Or to break my sworn word? No, I will not. The woman died. I suppose she'll live family ties. Well, let her. If I permit my own family to rebel,
Bear.
how shall I earn the word's obedience? Whoever is chosen to govern
Show me the man who gives thousands of God. Show me the man. How can I earn the words of obedience? Show me the man.
Show me the man. Show me the man who keeps his staff in hand. To speak for public authority. I have no dealings with lawbreakers who keep up the government. Whoever is chosen
Si Ross pangit.
must be obeyed in all
Pangit si
things,
Dayan.
great and small. Just
Pangit si Ann, pati si Ruth, pati si Este.
the man who
Lahat
knows
kami
how to
pangit.
obey, and that man
Ay, hindi pala ako kasama
knows
doon.
how to give commands when the time comes.
Lahat kami pangit. Sino nang maganda?
You can depend on him. No matter how
Wala na.
the spirit comes, it's a good soldier. He'll speak it out. Anarchy, anarchy.
Aanhin mo pa ang bato kung nilunok na ni Pipoy ng buong ang damo. Mali.
Will have to bring down. It is Scarlet Army. No, no. Good police
Ang hirap talaga nung Ismini. Yung girlfriend ni Mickey.
army so fighting.
Ismini.
We keep the law.
Diba, Este, sabi mo kanina si Ismini kapatid ni Minnie, ni Mickey Mouse. Tapos ngayon binabawi mo, wala ka kiss. May masasabi ka ba Ros kay Ismini? Time has trusted what you say. King is said with point and dignity. Tama. What you say. King is said with point and dignity. Di na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Bakit on?